That's right, everybody. We're buying the dip today. I showed it. Hope everyone's doing well today. I think the music is still overpowering me, but it's all good. Yeah. Hope everyone's having a good day so far. Happy Friday. It is Dynamite_41 back with another live stream. Nothing I say in my videos is financial advice. Nothing I say in my live streams is any of that. I just like to shoot the shit and talk about GameStop just for a little bit while I'm on my lunch breaks. So here we are. Last 2 minutes of the stock. Let's go ahead and check it out. Switch it over to the screen. $21.18. I bought the dip. Ladies and gentlemen, I bought the dip. And you know who else bought the dip? This guy. His name is Sam. If you don't know him by now, he's a big part of the show. Ruby is usually absent during the show. I think she likes to sleep during the day. Hence why I'm always up at night trying to chase her around. Kittens. Love the kittens. But welcome back, everyone. Hope everyone is having a fantastic day so far. And GameStop talk, like always. So we partnered up with PSA Grading, and of course a big company that grades cards, sports cards, Pokemon cards, Yu-Gi-Oh cards, all that jazz. And it's now done in GameStop, and we partnered up with them. Sorry, it's Friday. It's been a hectic day at work today, but I'm so happy I bought my shares of GameStop because I bought them towards the end of the day. I bought a few this morning. I think I bought one this morning or something like that. No, I bought 5 this morning, and then I was just like, fuck it, let's just add 10 more to it. So 15 shares today. Michael Venuti reporting for duty. You already know what it is. LFG, let's fucking go. 51st Elitist Platoon GME Division reporting here live. Here at you, $21.25 at the moment is what we're speaking of at the moment. And the market just closed. 3 p.m., baby. Wasn't really keeping track of the clock. Maybe I was 2 minutes ago, but now here I am. So we closed off at what? What did it look like? 21.25 according to this chart on the Webull chart. So everything looks good. Let's look at the daily chart. Let's look at this from a broad perspective. Let's talk a little bit of MOAS on this stream. I don't want to talk about fundamentals. We know how great they are. I don't want to talk about the team. We know how great they are. Let's just simply talk about MOAS. Fundamentals are already great for us, and we're turning around as a company. So let's just talk about crazy price action. So, of course, I got the lines drawn out right here. I don't want to erase them just yet because this is something that we're keeping track of. Of course, we're on the weekly chart. My technical analysis still looks pretty solid on the weekly. There's any given moment where we could break out of this wedge, whether it's towards the downside, the upside, or if we just continue trading flat for a longer period of time going into November. As you could tell, the election is coming up and the Fed meeting is the day after the election. So big catalyst coming up, but also Q4, where most money is spent in the retail sector of all, is when we have the biggest quarters, or is when we have the biggest revenue is in our Q4. And that's not only GameStop, but just for other retail companies as a general sense. But we're already profiting this year. I already know we're going to profit this year. When the catalyst comes out, when they announce the yearly and Q4 earnings next year in March of 2025, when they make that announcement around that time and we make profit and we beat earnings again and again and again, it's going to be a mess for these short sellers. And we're going, if the stock wants to reflect what the company is doing in real life, yeah, we're going to see some green candles. So that's just my MOAS talk right there. But not only that, so we got the catalysts over there back in November, but let's look at the actual technicals and kind of see what could happen next. So as you can see on the weekly, we don't have too much volume action going on. Of course, the volume is more green than red today. Definitely, we had big red volume candles over here on that run up back in May, and then a month later in June of this year, So let's go ahead and go back to the actual, the sneeze, if you will. We had these big green candles. So now who knows what happened before that? Let's look at the volume control first. So, we had these red candles here, of course, and then we just kind of died down for a bit. Had that one hump right there. We got one hump right here. I mean, I don't know how big these volume candles are comparative to these. I'm sure the MOAS volume candles will be so much larger. But let's say, maybe we're at that point where we're just kind of slow until we make the next breakout. Like, what if we're at this point after having a breakout and then just continuing to consolidate and stay down there and then suddenly make our way up as time went by? Because this was in mid 2020, and then the price action slowly started to go up into the year, and then it ended the year off strong, and then January came around and the sneeze. Oh, the good old sneeze. Post split made it to 120 and 75 cents. That's post split. Can we pass post split numbers? I believe we can. And the fact that there's way more, how should I say it, interaction with the stock itself, more buyers, people just buying constantly every day for the past freaking almost 4 years like we have been doing so far, gives me a lot of just, it makes me feel good about my investment. And not only that, but everything is turning around as far as the company goes. But I think that's why MOAS is something that's on the horizon for GameStop. In a general sense, I'm not saying it's on the horizon tonight or next week or the weekend or anything like that. No, but it just seems like a breakout is bound to happen because we've been flat here for a while. Just pretty stagnant. Now, we've had a pretty long stagnant point over here back in 2022. I believe it was like from September 2022 all the way to, December or early December of 2022. And then that's when price action started to go down. So, November. So, like about 3 months. How to do the math in my head, y'all. Come on. And over here, we got, let's see, August, September, October. So that's 3 months. Maybe this pattern over here, let me actually draw it out really quick. I want to do some craziness right here. Some crazy stock talk. I don't do much technical analysis, not a day trader, not a swing trader, not any of that for the record. I just love the stock and I continue buying it. So, anywho, back to the chart. So let's see. Here we have this one that went all the way to this month. So we started this flat trend on the 9th of September all the way to the 9th of December. So marked it right on the spot right there. And that was about what? September, October, November, December. So 3 months, right? And if I get another drawing for the trend line over here, we started to be flat, I would say right here. Yeah, I would start at 8.9 just to be on the safe side. So 8.9 maybe to 11.9. Keep in mind this was in September, the one over here, all the way to early September, all the way to early December. 3 months, right? So now I'm at early August, all the way to early November. Now, could we just launch to the downside? Because keep in mind too, over here when I have this drawing, this was a 3 month span, but then we went to the downside. So for all I know, it could possibly go to the downside or go to the downside and just break past my wedge that I already have drawn out here, because it's just going to probably continue to go flat until the end of the month of October. And then early November, maybe we'll start to see some momentum, whether it goes to the upside or the downside. Because if I zoom in over here, you know what? Let's do it right now on the stream. What I'm gonna do is make my adjustment. So I'm actually gonna draw this right here, and then this guy right here. I'm gonna put it right there, because I wanted to touch base over here at the end of November or at the end of October, just so I don't know. I just feel like I feel like it's just based off of that pattern back there. This is just my Moas me talking. I just feel like it seems like the move. But I also want to lower this because I want to get it touching at least this large candle wick up here. And then kind of bouncing in right here. But the thing is, this purple DRS line that I got for $22.85, it is something else. Let me tell you all that. Shout out to my support / resistance line that I have right here because it is a major point and I don't want to get rid of it. I don't want to get rid of it because this is my baby right here. And this red line right here that I got as a support level, I believe $20.07. Yeah, I have that as just some support over here. And it has been showing some strength so far. So for all we know, we could stay above that line and stay in between that line versus my purple DRS line and maybe test the upsides at $27. But of course, with that, it takes time and it's just a matter of how long. Now, based on the weekly chart, just that what I look at alone, I could see this doing another bounce off of this, like a triple bottom bounce. As let me go ahead and erase this. I just wanted to show you all these two patterns really quick. The 3 month little trend that I have going on. A theory that I just made up on the spot for the record. Didn't find this anywhere on the internet. I just made it up and I saw it as I was going on the chart. But it's all good. Now, when it comes to comparing the volume for those 2 days, for those 2 times, of course it's a little different. So volume over here is literally low compared to this area over here. Volume is slightly higher. So that could play a factor too. And as far as the OBV goes though, we've got way more shares bought versus sold. So the fact that the on balance volume is higher than it was around that time frame, that could raise the potential for going to the upside, but that's just technicals. Of course, it's not always going to be 100% accurate. And the volume's higher than it was over there. It is slowing down a bit, and usually when it slows down like this, there's a boom. Red or green, there's a boom. It boomed in June. It boomed in May. So if we could see another boom going based off of this trend line that I have over here, that would be pretty fantastic. But it's just a matter of what exactly is going to happen next. So I'm going to keep this trend line right here. I don't think I'm going to mess with it, adjust it or anything. I think I'm just going to close her off right here and see what happens next. Maybe we could test, maybe we're going to have a green week next week. If you could see, we're bouncing in between this channel. And I think we could do another, because, oh yeah, that's exactly what I was going to draw. I lost my train of thought, y'all. Lost my train of thought. See, here's the one. Oh, okay. Look at this. Here's one bottom right here, right? Let me make this thicker. Like some Snickers. There we go. And let me draw this other bottom right here. We didn't go below. Oh my goodness. Let me flatten this out. We didn't go below it, right? But we still bottomed on that, especially on the weekly chart. Let's see how it looks like if we zoom in. Oh yeah. So we did bottom out on this. Over here even, there's a bottom right here, and then that's when we went up and tested above my resistance line of 22.85, and then we went down atrociously and tested my $20.08 support line that I have. Or sorry, this isn't 28. This is I believe $19 essentially. So it tested the $19 level. So what it's telling me on technicals so far at this point in time, $19 is a very strong support level, and the fact that you're able to buy at $21.25, even at $25.25, $30.35, you are like still at the bottom when you look at it from the bigger picture. But of course, you know, we can't tell the future. We can try to anticipate what's going to happen, but I'm here for it, and I love the Moas talk because it just gets me so freaking hype. And it's the weekend. I don't know what I'm going to do. I was invited to go out. I seriously need to clean my apartment, and I need to unwind because I had a busy ass week, and I just got back in town like on Sunday last week, and I went straight to work the next day. I want to be able to get some errands done without feeling so exhausted after work. So I'm going to keep myself busy over the weekend. Usually I keep myself busy doing work during the week and watching GameStop. But I might not go out tonight, or I will not go out tonight. I'm going to stay at home. If anyone in my home, like if any like walking distance is doing something, I'll pull up for sure, because it's walking distance and I can leave when I want and I don't have to spend money, maybe on some booze, but I have it at home. You already know Tito's is the go-to, in case you were wondering, and I mix it with Sprite and cranberry. That's my drink right there. In case y'all didn't know, now y'all know. But we double bottoming right now, y'all. We double bottoming. It looks like it's going really well on the daily chart. If anything, it's kind of like a triple bottom, because this one's right here. But I don't want to count that one, because that one is a little, it's a little too high to go to my bottoms down here at $19 basically. So I feel really good about it. And then we freaking just ripped out of this, and then we tested the resistance line at $22.85, and this was back in early October. But then we slowly started to go down, and then we bounced back up, and it wasn't even like near the $20.08 line, but it did bounce off of that area. It was going towards it. It was testing it. Now it's over here, and it's it didn't really test much waters. Now that I think about it, it could be a bearish week next week. Who knows? Maybe we could bounce off of this line going into the middle of the week, off of this support line. Maybe test my upward trending line on this day, I believe on the 23rd of October at $21.25. And then we could test it. If we bounce off of this, great. If we don't bounce off of it, great. If we go flat, super awesome. If we go down in price action, break below my support levels that I have right here, I would be a little disheartened if my support levels that I just drew out get destroyed. But I will not be disheartened, because I will be able to buy GameStop shares at a much cheaper price. So shout out to technicals. And that's just my technical spiel for the day. Nothing crazy, nothing insane like that. And, you know, I just love the stock. I truly don't know what else to tell the whole world when it comes to GameStop. So I just keep on buying the shares because I just simply love it a lot. And, you know, I just want to say, let me put this on my face real quick. I just want to say that I truly just feel so motivated by everyone here. I feel like I wouldn't be in a financial situation, in a financial placement that I'm in currently, had it not been for me watching Morant's or Carter's Corner Pocket. And just especially like when I first started watching Morant's back in the day, I was just like, man, this makes total sense. Everything is corrupt. They're trying to mix in GME with the whole meme stop craze, with like how terrible the company is run, and they're diluting, and they're doing all this shady shit like Adam Ayer and David Mitry, all them dudes. Sue Go for BBBY, Q, dead. Do people still talk about that stock? I'm pretty sure they do. Sad, bros. But I really feel like had I not been like around this crowd of people, like y'all, Morant's, Carter's Corner Pocket, all the ones who are in GME who know what's up, Roaring Kitty, Ryan Cohen, I feel like I wouldn't be in the position that I'm in today. And I truly do feel appreciated for allowing me to gain motivation, to gain confidence from all of y'all to excel in life, to feel like I'm in control of things, to stay as disciplined as possible no matter how hard it gets, and when I don't want to do it, to just continue doing it because it pays off. And I'm looking forward to that. But that's my spiel for the day. I hope everyone has a great rest of the day. I'm always going to walk out with a song, and I'm always going to keep the chart up whenever I walk out, because we love the price action. even after the stock market closes for the week. We love the stock. And yeah, but shout out to y'all. I appreciate y'all coming to watch the stream. I'm gonna go ahead and head out and get ready to get back to work because yeah, it's the last day of the week last day of the week for me to work, but that doesn't mean the grind doesn't stop until the job is done. So shout out to y'all, everyone, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace out, everyone. I'm gonna dip out with this one. You already know what it is. We feeling good. Happy Friday, everyone. Peace.
Saw that thing so beautiful. She just hit my heart, oh. Full force and she got me like. I be like, baby, why you so fine? Got to make you mine. So hard to find. They be like, oh, how'd you do the thing? The way that you do it and she ain't even show nothing. She be walking around so confident, so heaven sent. I think she was meant to knock them daylight. Like, girl, you so fine. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Girl, you rockin' like ooh. She was so sublime, super fine. She was never lying, strutting in the heels or her slides. Either way, eyes on her every single day, week, year. Everyone wondering how she does it with no fear. All that confidence, was it heaven sent? Does it come within? Does it come run out? I don't know. She'll just have them running out and in. Man, they want to sin, talking deadly sin with Mrs. Lady. I don't understand why she hit them like